Hey everyone! Today I'll show you what to do if Windows Hello can't find a suitable camera for face recognition. First, go to Settings, System. Scroll down here. Look for additional settings. Click Add additional setting. If we type Hello, you'll see Windows Hello. Make sure to add all the apps you need. It won't work without them. There, you should see something like this. Another way is to go to Services. Here, disable Windows Biometrics. Windows Biometric Service. It should be stopped. See, mine is stopped. Click Stop or right-click and select Stop. Next, go to C drive, Windows System 32. Find Windows Bio database. Open it and delete the file. Done. Then restart the service we disabled. Here's Windows Biometric Service. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope this helped. Bye everyone.